Focusing on stability can be used with just 2 time points. Now the random intercept cross-leg panel design needs a minimum of 3 time points. So your traditional panel model can be used for any kind of pre-post evaluation. It's where it's a very commonly used analytic tool. Growth curves typically are going to be start coming into play when you have 3 or more time points, and you're focusing on the between person differences and within person changes, but it doesn't say anything about the direction of influence. So quite often, when you're doing a longitudinal analysis, you'll probably do both a panel model, answer research question 1 about the directionality of the influence, right? That's where those cross-leg paths come into play. And then you have the growth curve model, which is looking like the kind of the synergy that occurs between 2 or more variables as they change over time. And then you've got the P techniques, which are really, again, looking at the moment-to-moment covariation within an individual. You just need 1 person, but you have to have many time points. You can start combining results across individuals. One of the chapters in my book looks at 5 women who rated their daily mood every day during their pregnancy, and we look and analyze as a latent variable P technique analysis to look at the kind of the ebb and flow of positive and negative affect during the days leading up to delivery. Now, if you all have questions, feel free to unmute and ask, or if you want to, you can send a question to the chat, and Zach or Whitney will be helping me monitor that so that we can address any questions you might have as we move along. But these are the 3 basic models that we'll be looking at as in terms of our foundations of longitudinal modeling.